DJI Avata 3 leaks have ignited massive excitement across the FPV drone world as newly surfaced specifications suggest this next-generation cinematic FPV drone could redefine what compact aerial filmmaking looks like, with insiders pointing to a dramatic hardware leap that includes a true 1-inch CMOS image sensor, an aggressively redesigned airframe capable of blistering speeds approaching 140 km per hour, and a radical shift to 4-blade propellers engineered for higher thrust, improved efficiency, and greater stability at extreme velocities, all of which positions the Avata 3 as potentially the most powerful and technologically advanced FPV drone DJI has ever developed. And according to multiple prototype sightings shared across Chinese tech forums and social media platforms, this isn't just rumor speculation but a real, flying test platform captured repeatedly in the wild, signaling that DJI is deep into validation and pre-production testing rather than early concept exploration, which also aligns with leaked supply chain chatter, suggesting the release window is now locked in for early 2026, making the Avata 3 one of the most anticipated drone launches on the horizon for FPV pilots, content creators, and aerial cinematographers alike, especially as the design philosophy appears to move away from the more toy-like protective styling of earlier models toward a sleeker, more professional, performance-focused aesthetic that better bridges the gap between consumer FPV drones and custom-built racing or cinematic rigs. And the most headline-grabbing upgrade by far is the camera system, as DJI is reportedly making a huge jump from the Avata 2's respectable 1/1.3-inch sensor to a full 1-inch sensor class commonly associated with higher-end mirrorless cameras and professional cinema drones, a move that could dramatically elevate image quality with native 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second, advanced 10-bit color depth, support for flat color profiles like D-Log for professional color grading workflows, and a substantial improvement in dynamic range and low-light performance that would allow creators to confidently capture footage during sunrise, sunset, blue hour, and even challenging dusk conditions without excessive noise or loss of detail, while still photography capabilities are also rumored to see a major boost with high-resolution 48-megapixel photo capture, raw file support for maximum post-processing flexibility, and an expanded ISO range pushing up to ISO 12800, making the Avata 3 not just a video-centric FPV drone, but a legitimate hybrid aerial imaging tool for creators who want both cinematic motion and high-quality stills from a single compact platform. And performance enthusiasts will appreciate that DJI seems to be addressing one of the long-standing trade-offs in FPV drones by pairing extreme speed with usable flight endurance, as leaked specifications suggest a completely new battery system in the 3000 mAh range or higher, combined with refined power management and more efficient motors, resulting in estimated flight times between 25 and 30 minutes per charge, which is remarkable for an FPV-style drone and could significantly extend creative shooting sessions, reduce battery swaps, and make the Avata 3 more practical for travel, exploration, and long cinematic runs, especially when combined with rumored fast charging support and quick swap battery mechanisms designed for creators who need to stay airborne with minimal downtime. And despite all these upgrades, the overall weight is rumored to land around 410 grams, keeping the drone relatively compact and portable while still crossing the 250-gram threshold that places it into regulated airspace categories in many regions, a trade-off many users will accept given the performance gains, while the physical redesign itself hints that DJI has listened closely to feedback from Avata and FPV enthusiasts, as leaked images show a noticeably larger camera module mounted higher on the frame with an extended gimbal assembly to allow greater tilt angles and improved stabilization at high speeds, a repositioned battery toward the rear of the drone to improve balance and free up space for the camera system, and possibly the complete removal of the bright orange protective bumpers seen on the Avata 2 in favor of a cleaner, more aggressive look that aligns with professional FPV aesthetics, and safety and intelligence features appear to be getting a serious overhaul as well, with reports pointing to forward-facing LiDAR sensors enabling low-light obstacle detection, a long-requested upgrade that could dramatically improve confidence when flying in dim environments. along with potential omnidirectional obstacle sensing achieved through a combination of binocular vision cameras and time-of-flight infrared sensors, suggesting that DJI is aiming to blend traditional FPV freedom with its industry-leading obstacle avoidance technology in a way that feels natural rather than restrictive. And there is even talk of a built-in turtle mode that allows the drone to flip itself upright after a crash, a feature long popular in racing drones but rarely seen in consumer FPV models, which would be a major quality of life improvement for pilots flying in rugged or hard-to-reach locations. While on the connectivity side, the Avata 3 is rumored to build on DJI's OC-USY-NC 4.0 transmission system, possibly debuting an enhanced O4 Plus variant capable of delivering ultra-low latency, high bitrate 1080p live video feeds directly to compatible FPV goggles, with full support expected for DJI Goggles 3 and likely forward compatibility with future goggles, creating a deeply immersive first-person flight experience when paired with the latest RC motion controller that enables intuitive head tracking and motion-based inputs that blur the line between piloting and flying, making the Avata 3 especially appealing to new FPV pilots who want an accessible learning curve without sacrificing advanced capabilities. And when it comes to pricing, early industry estimates suggest a launch range between $1,200 and $1,500 depending on configuration, bundles, and included accessories, which represents a reasonable step up from the Avata 2's original $999 entry price when you factor in the substantial camera upgrade, improved sensors, redesigned airframe, longer flight times, and next-generation transmission technology. And with the release window reportedly set for early 2026, the Avata 3 could arrive at a moment when competition in the FPV and aerial cinematography space is heating up, as alternative platforms continue to push higher resolutions, 360-degree capture, and AI-assisted flight modes, meaning DJI will need the Avata 3 to deliver not just on specs but on real-world reliability, usability, and creative potential. And for those weighing their options, the Avata 2 is expected to remain a strong value choice as prices likely drop following the new model's announcement, while other upcoming drones rumored to feature 8K video, immersive 360-degree imaging, and modular camera systems could appeal to niche creators. But if the leaks hold true, the DJI Avata 3 is shaping up to be a landmark FPV drone that combines cinematic image quality, extreme performance, intelligent safety systems, and immersive control into a single compact package designed to push aerial storytelling, freestyle flying, and first-person exploration to an entirely new level.